Hello everyone. I'm just going to demonstrate a tool which recently I have developed, which is I have been working past 2 years. So basically here, from with the help of this tool, you can find out what is the time of reversal of any stocks and any index. Okay. So here today, I'm just going to demonstrate what happened HDFC Bank today, and I will be demonstrating how this tool will help, right, to identify the time of reversal. So let's have a look. So basically, let me give you some brief introduction of the tool. Basically, this tool, it is based on the based on the data. So suppose you have the live feed or live data, whatever source you are using. Okay, then you have the asset price. So basically that data point you have, so that data point, how with respect to time, how this price is changing. Okay, so based time and your based on time and of your asset price. Basically here we have selected HDFC. Basically this tool, it can be applicable any stocks. So here I have considered that HDFC Bank today. Okay, so basically there are so many stocks are here. Basically I have taken all the Nifty 50 stocks, and you can select any of them. But now our motto to demonstrate the HDFC Bank. Okay, so we can find out where the HDFC Bank. You see, let's me figure out where the HDFC here. H is here. So this is the HDFC. Where is the HDFC Bank? Where is that? Sys hashtag. So yeah, HDFC Bank is here. So we can select HDFC Bank here. Okay, so we have selected HDFC Bank. You see the price of HDFC price. One red color is the price and blue color is the our design parameter. So blue is the our design parameter, which is the value 0 to 1. Okay, so and this is the price. You see this is the price. This is suppose let me show you the price. Okay, so here, so suppose here we can select here. So like that, this is the one second. Yeah, so like this is the HDFC. So HDFC price, you can see if we have the price here. You can find here, this is the HDFC price. So basically here this is the HDFC price from. So now if you have scaled, then you will find the exact value of this value. So that's what I just our motto to find out the design. We need to find the where will be the trend reversal. What is the time of the reversal when the market is running? So then there is some price will come, and as per time, what time will be when the price will take reversal. So now I am going to change here. So suppose here, so because we don't need, just we need to look into the trend. Okay, basically when the trend will make turn from the one sided to another side. Okay, so now suppose, so you see this our design parameter is, so and this value, basically whatever the number we are assigning this value 0 to 1, and we have set the criteria what should be the value, then what should be the value which we can consider as the reversal. So now you see this value is continuously. You see that value of this our design parameter is in between 0.75 to 0.875, and you see continuously there is no variation. There is no big variation. The range is very small. So then we can, yeah, so and that based on this range and based on this our design parameter value, so we can consider and the that some range. So now, yeah, we can see here. So suppose the price is, this is the price here. So as price is open here, so price is here. So I told you, just you don't look into that number, just you can have a look the trend. So as you see at the starting of HDFC Bank is open here, so that is the price here. So then it's falling. Okay, it's falling and it's fall, and there is a fluctuation here, you see. And we will see into the main chart of HDFC Bank. But here I'm just demonstrating this tool. So see here. So this, as you see, this tool we have developed here. So this is the completely dynamic, Yeah, and you see at 9:15 they and the market open they, and you see if anything is change in the price, so then it will be it will be filled here like trend change. So you see here, and market is open 9:15 and the price is moving, and price also is moving along the along with time. So you see time is moving here. So and price, if there is a change in the price, it will be showing here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, up to 10 o'clock there is no price. You see our design parameter is not giving the any indication. So basically, yeah, you they it look like there is no change. Okay, so yeah, you see here. So time you can find whatever the time, and the if anything change it will be display here. Okay, so you see here there is no change up to 11 o'clock. So you see there is no change, no change, no change, still 12 o'clock. Yeah, yeah, there is no change. It's still 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. There is no change. There is no change. And you can have a scene. Market is start from here, then price is falling and is completely one way. Okay, till here, till 1:30. You see, 12:45. You see, 12:45 something, 12:45. Still, we are not getting any reversal point here. Okay, see, we are not getting. So because it's already completely one way side. So yeah, so see, if is there any any change in the trend, so then it will be it will be display here. So until 1:30 there is no change, no change, no change. So yeah, you see till for till 1:55 p.m. there is no change, and you see at 2 o'clock and 2 p.m. and 2 o'clock 1 minute, you see there is some changes happening. Basically there is an indication. You see the timing, where is the time is here. So 1:55, after 1:55 you see there is a change. So then we got the change here. So there is a change, you see the change is happening here. Okay, change, what is the time here? 2 o'clock, there is a change is happening. You see that there is a change again. So market is coming here, then is going up and is change. We can find the changes here. Okay, at this point. So basically here what happened, the basically the price and time relationship we match. Basically we call like a time square. So if this time, so we can note it down, and at this time the price will take turn. Whatever the side is coming, it will take another side. Okay, so and again you see the range is very small. So again we 2 o'clock 9 minute, then also is we got here. See, so one trend change is here, one trend change is here, so again one trend change is here. So you see one trend is change here, again here one trend is change here. Yeah, so then see here, so whatever change is happening, after that there is no change basic. Yeah, so after 2 8, so and there is no change of sign of reversal. Okay, so now we can have a look what happening in this zone. So then we can have a look of this exact chart structure of the HDFC Bank. So let's let's move to the our trading view chart. Okay, so this is the chart of HDFC Bank. So we can see, we can have a look what happening in a day. Okay, so we can see the day. What is the chart structure of the HDFC Bank? Okay, so this is the chart structure. Basically, this our design system. It will give you all the analysis by one click. So suppose, as you know, when we don't have this is a very design very advanced tool we have developed. So earlier, so we could see that, like there's a chart structure on a day time frame. Okay, you see, yeah, and after this is the second, this is the on 5th, on on Monday the bank nifties take very almost. Yeah, so it's a very very, yeah, you say what is the number actually here, how much fall we have found here. So there is a, you see from here, so there is a fall of what is that number, 2%, 2.96% on the this day. Okay, mean on 5th on 5th of June, Jan. And the see the HDFC making fall, right? past 3 sessions. This is the yesterday session, this is the today session, today market session. Okay, this also today also fast, but now this is the chart structure. And our advanced tool, you see here, we can also shown, and you see if you see overall picture of the HDFC Bank, is look like a falling in the nature. So from the, since 1st of December is falling, so the trend, it will be downside. Okay, so and it's a, if you have projected this yeah, if you projected this, then you will see here, yeah, this is the chart structure, and it is in a downside trend. Okay, yeah. So if you see, if we can look in the intraday at the 15-minute time frame chart, then we can see, and we can see what happening in the HDFC Bank chart. Okay, you see here. So yeah, so let me just disable all whatever we are having here. So this is the chart structure. Okay, now only our what is that thing, our what is our task to demonstrate, and demonstrate our design tool, which we call a smart tool. So then it can be help you to find out where the trend will take reverse. Okay, yeah. So you see the previous stand is previous market just open, and it's open is a gap down. Okay, so the trend, now you go, the trend is a downtrend. Okay, downtrend. Okay, downtrend till here. So from here, from the opening of the market at the market open, so from the market opening time, so the trend is downside. Okay, so if you have the line directly, see, you this is the down if you see the in line chart, you can see till here is the downtrend is downside. Okay, so and after that, you see here what is the exactly time is here. So still see still it downtrend at here. So now see where is the reversal. So our system will that whatever time is there, so it will give you the exact timing. So now see what are the time we have looking here. So you see there is a 2 o'clock. See, we will see, we can have a look what happening at the 2 o'clock. So there what happening in the 2 o'clock, you see the still is downtrend. Okay, this is still downtrend. Okay, so now what is this number, what is this number, this is the 2 p.m 2 p.m candle is here. So this is the 2 p.m candle. You see this candle is making turn here. Okay, at this point market is taking yeah, so you see here market make a turn here. Okay, which point here, this is the point. Okay, you see what is the time is here, it is starting from 1:15 to 2, basically here. Okay, this is the time of reversal. Okay, basically here yeah, this from this point. Okay, so now exactly you see, now see what happening in our system. So our system is giving the reversal to you here. So you can make a you can plan your entry here as you got the time and price is matched together. So it will take the reverse price will take the reverse turn. Okay, you see price is took the reverse turn from here. So as you know, this is the point here, point of reversal is here. So until this point is break, we cannot consider this again reverse. Okay, from here the market is downtrend, again market is coming down and coming up. So we have found here is the downtrend. Okay, you see this is the 2 p.m candle 2 p.m candle. So the market also is make a turn downside. Okay, so now here yeah, again we can have a look what is the so this is the basically sometime the data is delayed. So then but the trend is the window to 7. Okay, here you see in the same direction we are here, see here. So up to what time, 3 p.m. So up to 3 p.m, as you know 3 p.m all yeah, some 3 p.m yeah, candle close. So then it always we got the some move at 3 p.m. Okay, yeah. So here, so after that, and this is the very small, but overall if you look the overall picture, there is no change in the reversal. Okay, basically this is the locally we have seen here locally. Okay, so basically here locally we are able to see, but if you look overall picture of the today's trend is it completed downside trend, okay, of the HDFC Bank, okay. And you see here, this see the our design parameter, so it is not showing any, if you see consider the overall thing. So because whenever you design a system, then you need to consider some, you need to put some criteria, so that criteria should be followed, right? So as per our criteria, if yeah, so that you see that there is no change in the our design parameter. It means there no change in the reversal in the at all, okay. So there is no change. So ultimately finally we have concluded from this demonstration, there is no change in the reversal in today, okay, in the HDFC Bank. So basically this is a very advanced tool. So this is the analysis for HDFC Bank. And yeah, you can see what at the like suppose if we can switch on our design system, you see here, yeah, that is the structure basically. This is the structure, this is the one second, yeah. So this is the chart structure of the HDFC Bank, and HDFC Bank is from yesterday onwards in on the downtrend. Okay, so now see, if I do some apply some tool here, you we can see the here. So there is a our advanced tool which we have developed. So you can see the price, the price is the price is moving for downside, okay. So basically the trend is in downside, and you see if you put this yeah, so then you can see, and it's making turn here, okay. So yeah, so this one, so and still we can have we are seeing the trend of this HDFC Bank is still in the downside, okay. So now it's trying to is trying to taking that support from here, okay. Yeah, but the if you see overall picture of that HDFC Bank in downtrend, okay, today we have seen here. So tomorrow we will see what's the price will do. So if whatever the price will do, so then it will be it will be track in our system. So that is the analysis for the HDFC Bank, and some analysis also we can see. So I want to show some, there is some analysis of the TCS today, okay. So another stock you can select the TCS. Suppose we can have a look the what happening the TCS today, okay. So TCS we can select here with the TCS. Okay, no, okay, yeah. So we can select that ITC. Yesterday also we have looked this TCS stock. So now you see there is still today you can see the market is open at 9:15 a.m. So then it's make the reversal, and is starting from, it's going up, right? It's still in this open upside. So then, so we can have a look what happening in here. So it will be display here, okay, in the time window. So this is the TCS ITC stock we have selected, and we have started from here. So we can have a look where the trend change is happening. So exactly basically whatever the trend changing happening here, that is the time of reversal we can figure out, we can find out from that here time window, okay. So now you see there is a, yeah, see here where we will get the time ITC. So overall, if you see overall, as you know, our design parameter is not showing any indication of the reversal here. If you look that time, so basically whatever the criteria we have considered here when we design, so that is not fulfilling, so that we cannot consider here until unless there is no fluctuation here, okay. So see here we are figure out, see we can have a look, is there any change. Yeah, you can see what is the exact timing here. timing is 12:51 p.m. So there we got the some change in the trend. Where is this point is located here? You can figure out 1:30 around 1. You see there is a 1 p.m. here. You see is this window is the time window. We got the reversal point here, so we can make a plan of entry here without any fear. So without any fear we can make a plan here. So you see there is a change in the trend, okay, here. So around 1 p.m., okay, so 1 p.m. and yeah, so see there is because why we are getting the many multiple change, because the range is very small. There is a change is happening is very fast, okay, that's what we are getting change again and again. But if you look the overall, see then there is a change in between this range, okay, you can plan this entry, okay, entry here in ITC. So you see and 17 means around 110, you can assume 110 is here, 15 or 110 is here, you can plan your entry. Then you see here after it is that's what we now we have find out the time of reversal. There is a time window here, we can plan here, okay. You see next what happened the next. So we can have a look. There is no change later on till market has been closed, okay. So there is a one change, only one change. We figure out the what is the exact time of reversal, okay, here. So this, yeah, so this is the for, and now we can have a look what happening in the TCS chart. So ITC chart, so ITC chart we can figure out, ITC chart we can figure out what happening today, what happened today. You see the market is open at 9:50, this is the 7th of January date, and market open here at this point 9:15, okay, 9:50. This is market open and is bent up and is going down. And overall picture, if you look overall picture from here is downside, okay, because the market has been followed, market has been continue the previous trend, okay, previous day trend, okay. That was the downfall, okay, downside trend, okay. After that is open here, so then here is gone, is went down, okay. So now what is this time is this candle is time is 12:45. So 12:45 in between 1 p.m. So as we have seen here, right, I explained to you here. So that is the 1 p.m. something, that is the location here, that point here. Whatever we are looking, this is the point here, okay. We can have a look here again here, this is the time window. So then we figure out around 1 p.m., okay, 1 to 10 p.m. So that is the trend changing window, okay. So then it's confirming here, okay. And overall if you see our design parameters, so there is no change in the there is no change, okay. So we can, yeah, so then we need to scaled up, so then we can look what happening locally, okay. So now basically our motto to find out the time of reversal from this smart tool is a, it will give you directly the time whenever the price will make a turn. So then it will, you will get the time window, okay, time. So again we have also seen here, yeah, here at this point 1 to 115, 1 4 to 140, 12:45 to 1. So we got the reversal here, okay. So as we have seen the reversal point is here, so up to here 50%, see from here to here. So basically yeah, so you got the this from here to here, so that is the market movement here. Oh yeah, so from here to here. So that is the things I want to demonstrate it, and I want to analyze this two stock. So it can be this tool, it can be apply any other stocks, any other index also. So now suppose today we have if you see, if you have a look for this index, so we have the suppose Nifty, what happening the Nifty today, and what are the bank Nifty, Sensex. So suppose just we can have a look the, see this is the Nifty. So you see the Nifty trend is here, one Nifty trend is make here, okay, and another is here. So and yeah, so from here what is the time exactly? This is time, suppose time window here around 11 to here, so downfall, okay. You can be, it will be display here, yeah, you see displays here 10 Yeah, this is the 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. is 10:30 p.m. is the this window market went up, and till 11 till 11 6, you see the 11 6 is here. So market is banned from here, so it will be this, it will be trap here. Okay, so you don't need to put you don't need to look support register, nothing, no trading line, nothing. Just you need to look over this time window. It will basically this entire system is integrated with the Google Finance. Okay, it directly data is coming from the Google, and it will give you the time of reversal. So that is very advanced. Okay, so it's fully automated. And you can have also bank nifty. You see the bank nifty, you see there is a change. Yeah, so bank nifty also, you see the bank nifty changes here. So what is the 145? If you see that this 145 is the time of the reversal. Okay, you, if you see, go here, what is the timing here, you will find, if there is a change, then you will find here. Okay, whatever, yeah, it will come here. Okay, so because, yeah, and yeah, you can have a look here. And if it is not here, so if it is not trapping here, so then we have the criteria, we have the criteria of this number, we know what is the exact number we need to consider for the reversal. So this is the this graph, you see that this is our design parameter. You see here this blue color add on the Sensex price. Okay, you see the Sensex, so we can have a look at what happening the Sensex today. Okay, you see from the morning onward, market Sensex is falling down here. Okay, falling down here. So and it went here again, this point here falling down here. So what is the time here? No, 9:30, right? 9:30 is here, something, 9:30 is here. So here this point. Okay, so this point the reversal, this point is reversal. You see again what is the time? 40. So basically till here the market is making the narrow zone. Okay, you see that fluctuating. So market price is fluctuating, so this is again and again the reversal is happening. Okay, so at this situation we need to avoid, you see this kind of situation we need to avoid, we need to wait the reconfirmation. If there is no change, means the trend will continue. Okay, so again this is 940, this 943. So 943, you see here 943 here, 943 somewhere here, right? 943 somewhere here the market has come here. Okay, so after that is make the trend. Okay, basically trend here. So after that see again, you see 50, 1050, and this 950, you see 950 here. I told you this, that there is a fluctuation, so then we need to avoid. Okay, so again we got this point here. So we got the confirmation here. Now this is the point of reversal, this is the point of reversal we got, this is the point of reversal. And what is the time exactly we got here? So this will not break, if this number has been displayed here, that it will not break. Okay, that it had to the time and price, it follow the same process. Okay, that is the advanced research we have figure, we have find out the very advanced. So yeah, so see, yeah, so again you can have a look, there is a change here also. 10 10, you see the 10 10, I told you this is the 10 10 again here, 10 10 here. So you got the reversal point here, so then after that you will not get, you couldn't find here. So till here. Okay, you see here till here mean, suppose you go the time of reverse, time is here. So suppose you are getting here, but you are considering from here market is uptrend from this point, until we cannot consider the time of reversal again until this point is break. Okay, so again this point is break, then we can consider the again the downfall. Okay, you see here. Yeah, so whatever the happening here, it will display here. Okay, yeah. So and sometime you don't need to look into the alone. You need to consider the other stocks or other index simultaneously. You need to look into the Nifty, Bank Nifty, so then you will get idea to for reconfirmation. So the exact reversal. Okay, so now this is a very advanced tool. Okay, it work for the all index and yeah, fine, and stocks. Yeah, yeah, thank you for listening, and I will be happy to if you have any queries, so then you can write to me, so I will try to respond you, okay, about the tool features and what is the tool capability and what is the how you can use this tool, and you can write to me. Yeah, thank you.